Hey Soul Shotters, guess what? It is our very first fan mail. That's right, got my very first fan mail here on Soul Shots. We just got a letter, we just got a letter, we just got a letter. I wonder who it's from. This comes to Soul Shots from my very, very good friends, Jackie and Eric Hone. Some wonderful friends of ours sent us our very first official fan mail here on Soul Shots, and you and I are going to open it together. I have to say, I am very, very excited. Let's see what the mailbag holds for us today. Cannot wait to see what's in our very first viewer fan mail. What is it? Ah! It's an MRE, military style meals ready to eat. What a super, super gift. This is wonderful. I have a very happy memory connected to MREs that you don't even know about. I'm going to tell you about it now. Thank you, Jackie and Eric Hone. You are wonderful. You're our favorite Soul Shotters this week. My dad was in the National Guard full-time growing up, and when he would come back from summer camp every year, he brought us MREs, the military's version of a portable bag lunch, a meal ready to eat. This one has beef taco, MRE cracker bread. This was a fan favorite in my house. I remember eating cracker bread. I know exactly what these look like. It has peanut butter flavored beverage, cookie dessert cookie, an accessory kit, a dairy shake. That I don't know about. I'm excited to see what that is. And a hot beverage bag. I tell you what we're going to do. I'm going to keep this because we're going on vacation next week. So there'll be another video coming out in 2 weeks. I'm going to keep this sealed up till the end. I'm going to open it, and on the very next Soul Shots, I'm going to taste test the MRE. I'm going to tell you what these things are like, show you what a MRE looks like on the inside if you've never seen one, and we'll go through item by item and we'll taste test them. Next Soul Shots. Be ready for it. 2 weeks from now. Thank you, Eric. Thank you, Jackie. You guys rock.